Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Musa from Sibling World. Today I'm going to be making my favorite type of sandwich, the tuna sandwich. Here are all the ingredients. First we have half cup of canned tuna, then we have 1/4 cup of sliced carrots, then we have 4 pieces of bread to make 2 sandwiches, then we have 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, we have 1/4 teaspoon of mustard, and we have 1 tablespoon of chili sauce because I love spicy, and we have a half cup of mayonnaise. Let's start. So first I'm going to take my mayonnaise bowl and I'm going to put my tuna inside. Then I'm gonna get my sliced carrots. Then I'm going to take my 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm going to take my 1/4 teaspoon of mustard. I also love mustard a lot. Then I'm going to take my chili sauce. So I practically took all my ingredients except the bread. So now I'm going to mix it properly. Okay, now I'm done mixing all of my ingredients. So I'm going to put the bowl aside. So now it's time for the bread. So I'm going to cut the crust because I don't like the crust. So now I'm done with my cutting. Here's all my breadcrumbs. I'm not going to be wasting their breadcrumbs. My mom will make them into little breadcrumbs. So now I will spread all of the mixture. Now that I'm done with my cutting, I will cover them and make them into a sandwich. So now I will cut them into a triangle. The inside looks so good. Can't wait to eat them. Here. Now I'm going to use this tomato ketchup to put little drops of ketchup in every single sandwich. If you like this video, please like, share with your family and friends, and subscribe for more. Goodbye!